Darts is a fun game to play with friends, where everyone tries to get their score down to 0 by throwing darts at different parts of the dartboard. A dartboard is numbered from 1 to 20 in non-sequential order around the outside of the board. If a player lands a dart in one of the yellow or black sections next to a number, they add that number of points to their score. If they land a dart in the small outer red or green section next to a number, they score double that number of points. If they land a dart in the small inner red or green section next to a number, they add triple that number of points to their score. The circle in the center of the dartboard is called the bullseye. The bullseye is split into two sections, a green outer section and a red inner section. If a player lands a dart in the green outer section, they score 25 points. If they land one in the red inner section, they score 50 points. One of the most common dart games is 0-1. In 0-1, each player starts with a score that ends in 0-1, usually 3-0-1 or 5-0-1. The goal of the game is to get your score down to 0 by subtracting the points you score on the dartboard. At the beginning of the game, each player takes turn throwing a dart at the dartboard. Whoever gets closest to the bullseye goes first. On a player's turn, they get 3 throws. After their third throw, they add up all of the points they scored and subtract that from their current score. Players take turns throwing their 3 darts and trying to get down to 0 points. In order to reach 0 points, a player must reach exactly 0 with no points left over, and the score that brings them to 0 must be a double. For example, if a player has 18 points left, they would need to score a double 9 in order to win. Whoever gets down to 0 first wins the game.